The aqueduct is situated near Civler village. As you draw closer to the village, a lake comes into view on your right hand side. It may give you the feeling that you've taken a wrong turn, but you haven't. This is exactly the right spot. Leave the car here and wander through the village, where locals often set out baskets of produce and offer simple refreshments such as tea or snacks. It's a welcoming little touch of village life. From here, a stony path leads downhill, and the sound of water can often be heard. That guides you on your way. The trail winds through a pine forest, the air filled with resin and birdsong, before opening into a peaceful valley. At the bottom, a large pond shimmers between the trees, and just beyond it, the aqueduct rises into view, a graceful sweep of Roman stonework standing proud across the valley. Built during the Roman period, this fine arched structure once carried fresh water to the legendary city of Troy. If you look closely, particularly at the old version before it was restored, you can still see traces of clay pipes tucked within the masonry. Hidden in this sheltered valley, the aqueduct has survived centuries of weather and upheaval, a testament to both Roman engineering and the quiet protection of its woodland setting. As you walk through the forest, notice how the ground is carpeted with pine needles. They create a soft blanket underfoot, but also a reminder of how easy fires can take hold here, nature's beauty balanced with its dangers. In 2021, the Kemerdere Aqueduct was lovingly restored to preserve its ancient character while making it safer for visitors. Missing stones were carefully replaced, damaged arches rebuilt, and joints reinforced with materials close to the originals. Even the plaster was specially prepared to match the ancient mix, ensuring the aqueduct retained its authenticity while being strengthened for the future.